guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today is just gonna be like an OG vlog. I'm probably not gonna move from where I'm sitting right here, which is kind of exciting. If you guys have been on YouTube for as long as I've been on YouTube, which is 11 years, not to age me or anything, this is kind of like what vlogs used to be. We're bringing it back. We're gonna talk luxury, which is my favorite topic to even talk about. I am just so proud of like the way that this channel has pivoted and just become something that I never thought it would be, which is, you know, luxury and fashion based. I feel super blessed for you guys to support me in that aspect. I digress. I'm so excited to tell you guys that part of today's video is sponsored by FARFETCH. I truly can't believe it. Every time that FARFETCH comes back around and is like, let's do it again, I feel like crying. Thank you guys so much, FARFETCH, for sponsoring, and also thank you guys for using my code in the previous past videos because they keep coming back, and it's because of you guys. I have another coupon for you guys. 10% off. You guys know the drill. Only good for your first purchase. As you guys know, FARFETCH is my favorite online retailer to buy luxury items. The reason I love it so much is because basically when you purchase from FARFETCH, you're purchasing from an individual boutique from all across the world because they all are able to sell on FARFETCH, which is why it's so easy to find things and you'll see things are different prices. It's because it's literally from all across the world. Two of my things came from Italy and then the other thing came from the United States. FARFETCH just kind of like brings these smaller businesses more accessible for us, you know, who are just addicted to online shopping. One of the things that I'm so excited about is in this box. This is actually my first time purchasing sneakers on FARFETCH, and I'm truly amazed because FARFETCH actually works with stadium goods. So when you purchase a sneaker, whether it's like Jordan, Nike, New Balance, coming from stadium goods, which I love because everything's already authenticated and you can get it shipped really quickly as opposed to other online retailers where, you know, the seller has to like ship it to the authentication and then it ships to you. So it's pretty instant. I ordered these on like a Friday and they were delivered on a Monday. So there's that. And you're probably wondering what's in the box. Well guys, I am the best fiance ever. I got Cody the Nike black and white Dunks. These might look familiar to you guys because I own a pair myself and Cody has always wanted a pair and I was like, you know what? Valentine's Day is coming up. So I got him these and they are amazing and he is obsessed with them. So they are fully authentic and ready to be worn. There's two pairs of sneakers in particular that I really want in 2022 that I will be talking about later when we talk about my luxury wish list that are available on FARFETCH. So I will link those in the description box below too if you're interested. But moving on. It's almost festival season, baby. I'm so excited. Yeah, I've been basically planning my outfits for the festival that's in Palm Springs, technically Indio. I'm not gonna say it. That festival is pretty strict about using their name. I'm excited. I'm going obviously and I'm starting to plan my outfits and I saw these jeans. I know they will be worn plenty and I have a pair of Attico jeans that I love. I wear them all the time. I'll put the picture here. I'm sure you've seen them plenty. Well, I saw these and they kind of have the same vibe, like oversized wide leg, but minus the pockets, and they're black. And I don't own a pair of black denim, surprisingly. And as I said, they're by the Attico, which is my favorite brand right now. The Attico can do no wrong. And are you guys ready? Oh, they're so cool. Okay. I'm doing a really bad job showing you guys them, so I'm gonna put it on the screen, me trying them on, but they're stunning. They're the perfect fit. I got them in a size 27 and I am obsessed with them. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is something else from the Attico. Obviously, like I said, I'm going through a big Attico phase. It is what it is. I don't care. This one was kind of like a little, I wouldn't say stupid, but keep in mind, shopping for festival season, so you need those kind of accessories. The reason I picked this out is because on the last day of said festival, I hate doing my hair. I'm usually exhausted and just kind of over it. at that point. Not over it, but over just like my looking at myself, which is shocking because I'm a Gemini. Yeehaw. I actually don't own a cowboy hat, and now I do. And I own a luxury cowboy hat. This is by the Attico. They come in pink and in black, and I saw this months ago, like around Christmas time, and I was like, that is interesting. I would like to work with that. So I got it. I don't know, I can't explain it, but it's going to be a vibe, and you just have to trust me. And I am excited. I'm like, you know what? I'll wear it probably with bathing suits, to be completely honest. Like, it's probably gonna go with me to Miami for my birthday. It's probably going to be with me for a long time because, hello, I live in Nashville, Tennessee. Those are the items that I picked up from FARFETCH. Again, thank you, FARFETCH, for sponsoring this portion of the video. And as always, my 10% off code is on the screen as we speak. I'm buzzing still. I'm buzzing, and it's the best day ever. So while I've, you know, talked about all of my new luxury things, I was like, let's talk about what's on my wish list, because I didn't want to do an entirely like dedicated video on my wish list. Kind of wanted it just to be kind of organic, where we could talk about it and just, you know, just have fun with it. Doesn't have to be serious, Sarah. I could sit here and talk about luxury all freaking day. I actually don't have a lot of bags on my wish list, which is shocking, I know, to a lot of you. I just have so many bags, you know? Like, do I really need more? Probably not. Will I get more in 2022? Probably. I only have one bag on my wish list as of right now, and that is a vintage Chanel flap, because your girl sold hers like 3 years ago, and it's like one of my biggest regrets in life, which is dramatic, but like, what the frick was I thinking? Like, that is so dumb. So I think I want a beige flap, like so. But I can't decide. Do I want black or do I want beige? Personally, I think beige would be better for me, but I don't know. I want your opinion, you guys. I have a white like mini flap, but I want like a regular size or a jumbo, because I used to have the jumbo black, and I regret it. Why did I sell that? I was like, it's just not in style. Small bags are in style. This year, I really want to focus on shoes, even though I don't really need more shoes, let's be honest, and mainly clothes, because I really would love just to like pick items that I'm truly obsessed with and that I want to rewear all the time. So I have a few pairs of shoes, and I actually have a pair of shoes already that I'm going to show you guys. So if you guys did not know, Amina Mawadi, you can buy it on FARFETCH. You can use them with my code for it. Their heels are insane, but they sell out so quick everywhere. I've been eyeing it. I've had it saved on Instagram for the longest time. Basically, I don't know, like, it was hard to tell if it was like ugly or if it was cute, or if it was ugly cute, you know? What did I do? I saw it on a Instagrammer I follow. I think her name is Cass. I'll put it right here. And it looked so good on her. She had like the sling back version with a bow on it. And I decided the Begum Lollipop heels, which fully backed heel. And I got that. Are you ready? She did not have to pop up so hard. You guys, these are the ugliest, greatest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, what is going on here? I'm not entirely sure. It's like I hate them, but I love them. They're so ugly, but I love them, and they remind me of my youth. They remind me of like a mood ring. Oh my god, they're so good. I don't know. I just think they're funky, and I love that Amina Mawadi kind of like tests the limits with colors. I love them, and I'm so excited. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of them. I got them in a size 40. So that was actually the first thing on my wish list that I wanted. You can see it right there. The next thing are Amina Mawadi Omni heels. I love the Omni heel. It's probably my favorite heel by Amina Mawadi, and I don't own anything. I just feel like I've got enough of the Starburst. Like, I got this shoe with the sling back in black. Like, I don't need any more of this design on it. So there's a silver pair that I really like that I'll put on the screen. Love them. Now let's talk about wedding shoes. I'm so excited. Obviously I get married in November, no big deal. But I was talking about this on Instagram yesterday and I posted what shoe I wanted, and I wanted the Manolo Blahnik blue traditional mule, a nod to our girl Carrie Bradshaw, of course, because I am a basic B word. Finding the something blue is often difficult, I think. I just think that would be stunning and it would look really good with pretty much all of my dresses, which is exciting. By a lot of people, I mean 2 people replied to my story telling me not to get the mules because they don't want me to fall on my wedding day, but personally I think that would just add to the drama and I want the mules, so good luck talking me out of that. Okay, so now, like I said, I have 2 pairs of sneakers, which I do not need another pair of sneakers in my life, but I just can't help it. Cody made me this way. Cody's the reason I got into sneakers. There's 2 pairs that I'm interested in. I will only get one because they are very similar. And the first pair are the Dunk Highs, which I don't own any Dunk Highs, in sale. Aren't they cute? I love the off-white with the white. We got Cody's sister the low version of these for Christmas and they're so cute. So there's that. And then the other pair are the Dunk off-whites. Lot 1 out of 50. These are a little bit more expensive. I typically am not a fan of the off-white Dunks. Cody loves them. He has a pair. He wants the 50s, lot 50 out of 50. I just love the colors. And I just really want to own something that Virgil made, and obviously he created those. So, okay, moving on to the next thing. And the next thing is a jewelry item. I think I want a watch. I don't know what kind of watch I want. I think I want it to be gold and silver. So these are the next things that I am interested in. They're all clothing items. There's 4 items. And the first one is the Laquan Smith skirt that matches my Laquan Smith corset that you guys have seen me wear, that I'm obsessed with, that I look smoking hot in. I just would like the full ensemble. I can't explain it. It just looks so hot. I am obsessed with Laquan Smith right now. He's a black designer, I think based out of New York, and everything he does is just so iconic, so hot. So obsessed with Laquan Smith. And then the next thing is the Prada nylon bralette. A staple, and I may want it for that festival we were talking about. Saying I may want it. Will I get it? Who knows? Not much to say about that. It's just really cool. And then the Attico camo cargos. This is from last year. I obviously have the denim version and I love them so much, but do I need another pair? Yeah, I do. I absolutely do. I messed up by not getting these. I had the option to buy them many times and I was like, no, I think I want the denim, which I should have gotten both. So I definitely want that. I don't know how I'm gonna get it. Completely sold out everywhere, but we'll see what we can do. And the final thing on my wish list is the Marni cardigan. If you guys aren't familiar with Marni, it's an iconic brand. They make amazing sweaters and knitwear, and a bunch of other things like shoes, bags, you name it. Very expensive, that's where they get me. But there's this yellow and purple stripe cardigan that I love. I love the combination of yellow and purple together. Very interesting and done so well. Also on FARFETCH, but I just love it. So that is my crazy all over the place video. 20 minutes long. No wonder I'm so thirsty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All over the place, I know, but it was just fun to sit back and chit chat with you guys and talk luxury because that's fun to me, and I'm starting to get vocal fry. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you stick around by subscribing, follow me on Instagram, all of that. Oh, and don't forget to check out FARFETCH. Coupon code right here. Goodbye.